Hi there. Let's talk about how best you can go about building money networks. Of course, all of us have heard before that your network is your net worth. It is true, guys, because most of the times, the largest chunk of profits, the largest chunk of monies you're gonna make courtesy of directly through your network, or even so, someone in your network assisting you get a linkage elsewhere. That's why it is very important for each of us out there to purpose to build money networks. I'm talking about valuable networks. Those kind of networks which can link you to opportunities, those kind of networks which can assist your business grow. It is important for us to build these networks. But of course, not everyone out there knows how to go about it. That's why I'm making this video to share with you best ways you can build money networks. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily TV. My name is Afaza Sifuna. And by the way, if you are new here, I'd really appreciate if you can join the family by subscribing. Down below, there is a button called subscribe. Click on it, subscribe, turn on the notification for you to be catching up on such awesome videos around personal finance, investing, showing you different real estate properties out there, and so forth. And also, you still add it, kindly drop a like on this video. I really appreciate you liking this video. Thanks for that. Having said that, one biggest mistake which a good number of people out there do most of the times is that they are usually too busy to think about building value networks. Let me give you an example. Maybe you work for a given company out there. Day in, day out, you are very busy, dedicatedly waking up, going through your morning routine, going to work, sitting on your desk, being the diligent employee day in, day out. You forget that you have a life beyond your employment. You have your money needs beyond your employment. Or even so, you could be running your business, and also you are trapped just focusing on you pushing products to the market. Also get time to network with people. Most of the people you think can be value network to you. And with that, you need to actually also network with people in a way that is very respectful and also anchored on fundamentals. And that's why I want to discuss with you these 5 key steps. Step number 1 is that you need to identify your target audience. What do I mean? In any particular engagement, you need to know who you are targeting to reach out to, who you are targeting, for example, to build bond with. So, do your proper mapping to know exactly what your ideal value network should look like. I'm not saying, for example, you sit there, you say, for example, you only need billionaires in your network. That isn't how it works. With regards to value network, it could be also money-wise, it could be skill-wise, it could be connection-wise. To give you an example, someone couldn't, for example, have money, and yet they know the right people who you need to be engaging with. Probably that is going to be someone in your value network. Maybe someone out there has money, but they rarely have ideas for how they go about increasing their money. Maybe you are there and you have tons of ideas. That could be your value network, because you could possibly in future enter a partnership which is mutually beneficial, you name it. So based on your own needs, financial needs, and also financial goals, and your desire to change the world, think about it very well. Who can jump into your value network? The starting point is for you to identify them, okay? And then the second point, which actually most people ignore, or even so they make a mistake on, is actually finding out what your common ground is. What do I mean? Yes, you might be having your own financial interests, okay? But also you need to understand that also the other party, the other person, whether an individual, a company, a corporation, you name it, also have their own goals, So you need to find what the common thing is between you. And if you be able to find it, then it's going to be easy for you to think of way of building value proposition. And I'm saying so because you could think, for example, what are your shared goals? Okay? What things are you speaking the same language on? Right? Beyond that, what are your common interests? For example, in business, in life, you name it. Those can be the fundamentals for which you can trigger engagement with these particular parties. Because if you don't have any common grounding, chances are your conversation, your networking is bound to collapse as soon as you start. And then the third way you can go about building value network is you offering value. Guys, this is also another thing which a good number of people out there find very difficult to do because of their own selfish interests. They think they are the only ones who need to gain financially. But if you're thinking about building long-term value networks, be ready to offer value. And of course, when you talk about value, we're talking about value, for example, you be very willing to help people out there, be very willing to support them, because ultimately we are talking about your support, your helping hand is going to go a long way in assisting them achieve their objective, or even so achieve their financial goals. And in the process, you offering this value is bound to assist them also see you as a valuable asset. That's why the third thing which you need to do is actually offer value, and more so offer value candidly. The value offer is going to go a long way to assist these people appreciate that you are bringing something to the table. And then the fourth key thing which you need to do is that actually you need to be true, honest, and genuine in your engagement. Guys, if you are a fake, more so in the quest to build value network is gonna be none. With that, ensure you are very genuine, you are frank with regards to your engagement. If you are giving value, give value genuinely. Don't give value waiting for favors to be extended to you too. No, give value, extend a helping hand very honestly, genuinely, and hopefully over time you're gonna get reciprocation. Okay? And then the fifth tip for how you can build value networks is you being patient. What do I mean? It takes time for you to be able to realize the benefits of anything. So ensure you are patient, you are persistent, and most importantly, you are professional with regards to how you engage with your targeted audience. And I'm saying so because it is patience that is going to assist you yield results. It is persistence which is going to assist you continue soldiering on that particular journey to ensure you build value network. And I'm saying so because a good number of value networks out there are never built through one event. They aren't built in 1 week. It is years of work, years of being helpful to other people out there, years of offering value, which is going to assist you build lifetime value networks, more so with the ideal people you're targeting to build networks with. What do you think about this video? I hope you've gotten an idea or two which are inciting with regards to you building value networks. Cheers, guys, and you all have a good day.